there, my name is Julie, Fei-Fan Balzer, and today I've got a super simple and super awesome project for you. It's a flipbook, and really it's all about just cutting. Anybody can do it. So I have two different pieces of paper, which I've simply put down onto two different mats. And I'm going to go ahead into my machine and I'm going to call up the flipbook pattern. Now this is a pattern that I'm making available to you so you can just get it into your machine however you want, either a USB thumb drive, PC with a cable, using ScanNCut canvas wirelessly, whatever your pleasure. So once my file appears here on the screen, I'm simply going to load in my paper just like so. And then because it fills the whole paper, all I'm going to do is make sure my blade is set correctly for the paper I'm cutting, hit cut, and we are off to the races. I'm going to pop this out in the machine. I'm going to put the other one right in, and once it is loaded, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to press cut and start. So I'm going to go ahead and peel the excess paper away from my mat, and then I'm going to do that actually with both mats, because what I want to do is I want to intersperse the two sets of flipbook pages. So what I mean is I take one from here and I take one from here and I stack them together, and then I take the next piece off and then I take the next piece off, and I'm just going to repeat this process, making sure that all the little bits are obviously out of the pages as I go along. And if you get two orange in a row or two pink in a row, it doesn't really matter. You can do whatever works for you. So you might get two orange in a row and then do two pink in a row. You just want to make sure that you're never getting more than two in a row, because you're supposed to have the same page next to each other at each spot. Basically all we're doing is just trying to make our flipbook slightly fatter and slightly more dynamic. That what I've done here is taken my stack and I've simply put a binder clip on it to keep it nice and neat and square. And I'm going to use this mega big huge stapler here. Now if you don't have one of these, you can usually find them at a place that makes copies or something like that. And I'm simply going to place it under here, being careful to try to make sure that it's relatively centered, but very far towards that left edge. And then the reason I'm standing is because I'm going to have to put all of my body weight into this stapling to make it go. And there you go. Now that it is stapled, I can go ahead and I can take the clip off, and then just like that, I've got a flipbook that says hello. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to visit my blog at balzerdesigns.typepad.com, and don't forget about the ScanNCut website at scanncut.com.